everybody doing today? I hope great. So y'all already know my birthday has come and gone. My birthday was actually yesterday on March 5th. And I had a great time celebrating my birthday. For those who don't know, I'll go ahead and reiterate, but I already did a live video and I have a vlog. I don't know if the vlog will be up yet or not, but anyways, for my birthday, I just did a staycation. It's fairly new. The customer service is great. The breakfast is bomb.com. They have a gym. The room is so comfortable, so comfy. I love the color scheme. I think that's why I keep going though, because I really love the color scheme. It's in shades of blue and earth tones and whatnot. So anyways, I booked the room. I stayed Friday night, Saturday night, checked out, did a late checkout on Sunday. And so yeah, I did that. I went and got me a facial on Sunday. First time having a professional facial. Felt good. They gave me some pointers or some things that I can do to take care of the bagginess under my eyes. She said my skin was dehydrated and things like that. So which, you know, I did have a few little drinks for my birthday. So yeah. What else did I do? I went to the movies. I went to go see 50 Shades Freed, and that movie was so good. Yes, I went to go see that. Had some nachos because I went to Studio Movie Grill. I love Studio Movie Grill, especially the new one. There's a new one by my house, and it's just like really nice. The chairs are nice and leather. They recline and all that good stuff. But anyways, and I also treated myself to some Bath and Body Works. So that's what this video is all about. I'm just going to share with you some of the stuff that I got from Bath & Body Works, and then a few items that I, or two items, oh, I have one more item, a few items that I got from the Goodwill, not the Goodwill, from the CCA, which is like a resale shop. You know, they take donations and then they resell the stuff. But anyway, so first, I'll just go ahead and show you the things that I got from the CCA. So I went in there looking for a jean jacket and I found one. This is the original Arizona Jean Company brand, and it is in the size extra large, so it's 18-20, which I wanted it to be like, you know, kind of baggy, whatever. And it was only $4.99, which I think that's a pretty good deal for a jean jacket, especially this one because it's in really good, it's a really good condition. And it's just the color that I was looking for. So I got this. It's for a DIY project that you guys will be seeing soon. So yes, I got that and was happy that I was able to find it. Then I got this for Miss Vivica because I just thought it was super cute. It's just a cute little you know, crossbody bag, or you can wear it on your shoulder like this. And it's denim, and it has a, I believe that's a tiger, yeah, tiger on there, sequence tiger. It's all nice and girly, and she really likes it. And it was only 95 cents, which I thought was really good. I don't know if it's a brand name or where it comes from. It doesn't say anything like that, but I got that for Vivica for 95 cents. Really good deal, really nice quality. It has to be the best thing that I find. I do believe this is an authentic Coach crossbody bag. The reason why I believe it's authentic is because of the quality of the straps. Look at those straps. Usually knockoffs and fakes do not have good quality straps and hardware, but the hardware on this particular bag is really nice and heavy and nice. Like, just look at it. It's very nice and thick, which I've had some knockoffs and they were not this quality at all. The only thing is it needs to be cleaned. Other than that, it's like in spectacular shape. It just needs to be cleaned, and it was only $8.99. So whether it's authentic or not, it's a good deal. But it also has, you know, look at this. It has the Coach, what is this called? The Coach tag in it, and it's nice, and it's like, it feels like leather. So that's what makes me think that it's authentic, and it has the like, what is that called? Like the serial number or whatever in there. So, and then just like the quality of the inside of the bag is just like really nice. So I think it's authentic. I could be wrong, but I truly believe it is. And even if it's not, for $8.99, it is a really nice crossbody bag. And I love crossbody bags because as a mom of 4, it lets me run in the store, run out the store, take care of the business I need to take care of without having to worry about somebody trying to steal my purse. You know what I'm saying? So those are the 3 items that I got from the CCA. Then I had went in Big Lots and I got this. I wanted to share this with you guys. They still have lots. Honestly, they still had the Big Lots that I went to. They still had a lot of their Valentine's stuff there, and the Valentine's stuff is now 90% off. And I wanted this when it was regular price, but I didn't want to pay for it. And so I was happy that they had one more left, and I was able to get it for 90% off. So it was like it was 80 cents. It was regular price was $8. I got it for 80 cents, and it's just one of my favorite quotes from 1 Corinthians, and it just says love reveals all things, believes all things, endures all things. Love never fails. So yeah, means for those, I don't know if you know, the people new to my channel won't know, but I have a whole collection of 1 Corinthians sayings, like little trinkets and plaques and things, and that was the theme of my kitchen when I lived in the house. But all that stuff's in storage right now. I didn't unpack it because it's like for my future home or whatever, but this will be cool to add to the collection. Even though it was a Valentine's Day item, it will look good in my kitchen, so that's why I picked it up. And for 80 cents, who can beat that? Like, seriously. And then I also, on Saturday, I had to go to CVS just to get, I went to get some juice and some water or whatever, and they had their Valentine's stuff on 50% off though, only, and I seen this cute little scarf. It's black with white hearts, and I just think it's really cute. You can wear it, you don't have to just wear it for Valentine's Day. So its regular price was $6.99, and I got it for $1 something, so it's more than 50% off. But anyways, I got it for $1 something, so just thought I would share that with you guys because it's really nice. So if you live near CVS, it doesn't hurt to go check it out. Now on to Bath and Body Works. So Bath and Body Works was having a sale. I believe, I don't have the receipt in here. I believe it was buy 2 get 3 free, or buy 3 get 2 free, or something like that. But the reason why I went in there is because I got an email where they was advertising the Aquamarine body wash, bubble wash. It's a 2-in-1 bubbly wash and bath milk. And y'all know Aquamarine's my birthstone, so I wanted to have it. Whether it smelled good or not, I just thought it'd be cute to have in my bathroom or whatever. But it actually, it smells okay. I think it smells good. My mom didn't like the way it smelled, but I like the way it smelled. It reminds me of like a spa. You know, it has a real clean, fresh smell. The fragrant notes are ocean water, mint leaf, and whetstone. So it has a very spa, fresh, clean smell to it. So if you like stuff like that, you will love this. I thought it smelled good, so I can't wait to use it. So I got that, and I got the soothing body cream to go with it, and it feels really good on the skin. And then I picked up some other stuff that I already had before. I've had the Endless Weekend before, and I did like this one also. And this one, the notes in this one is, does it say? Oh, okay, it says bursting with fresh summer mandarin, sun-kissed magnolia, and raspberry sorbet. So this, what is it? This fragrance is finished with the breeze of blue coconut water and vanilla sandalwood. So it smells good. Yeah, it's kind of like it's like a clean smell and kind of sweet mixed together, so it's okay. You know, Bath and Body Works, I'm just a little disappointed because they've gotten rid of like some of my favorite scents, like Dancing Waters, which is like really old, but you know, it never came back, and I never seen it come back for when they do like the retired scents come back or whatever. But I really did like Dancing Waters. Wrapped in Sugar did not come back for the holidays this year, and that's one of my all-time favorites. And there's some other ones that I really like, and it's just like, I don't know, it's like you fall in love with a scent, then they get rid of it. But anyways, I got Beautiful Day. I do like Beautiful Day because this one has like an apple smell to it. The key notes is sun-kissed apple, sparkling wild daisies, pink peonies, and fresh wood. So I like the smell of this one too. So yeah, this one is really nice. It's like a nice summery smell. So I got that one. And then I got the French Lavender and Honey, which I really do like, surprisingly, because I really don't care that much for lavender, but it smells really, really, really good. It says, experience the charming south of France and gorgeous sun-swept fields of lavender with our exclusive French Lavender and Honey fragrance. So yes, and I do like this one. And of course, when I go, I usually tend to get more shower gel than I do lotion. But that's what I got. That was my birthday treat to myself. So yeah, be sure to check out Bath & Body Works. They also had a coupon going on. And oh, I want to show y'all this too. Remember I told you guys I got a facial. So when I got my facial, they were just telling me some things to do for my skin or whatnot. And so I'm going to start, you know, taking better care of my skin. So I got this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel because the lady who did my facial said that she said I have normal skin. I do have some areas that, like my chin and my nose, I have a lot of flakiness, a lot of white and blackheads, and so she said that I did not need anything to dry me out. And so she said for me not to get anything that was oil based, because I had some oily spots or something like that. Anyway, so I got this right here. I haven't used it yet, but if you guys want to see a like how skincare routine that I'm gonna start doing, then go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to record that when I do it. And yeah, so this seems really cool. You know, Neutrogena is known for having good skin products, so I got that. And then she also told me about, well, not the lady that did my facial, but a lady that was in I went into Ulta, and the lady in Ulta, I was asking her about like the bags under my eyes and stuff like that. You know, I was looking for a concealer, and she told me about one by Benefit, and I put a link down below for it, so if you want to check it out. But it costs like $29, right? And yeah, I bought it, but then I took it back because I was like, no, I'm just not ready to spend that kind of money on, you know, stuff like that. And I looked up and Googled something that was comparable to it. So when I did that, I found the Hydro Boost Hydrating Concealer by Neutrogena, and this is what it looks like. And it's the concealer, and then on the inside it has moisturizing properties, like I think it says vitamin E, and is it vitamin E? I don't know. Whatever it is, it's just like it says hydrating core, so it's just things in there that's going to add moisture back into your skin. And so that I got this to try out because the product by Benefit, like I said, it looks just like this, except for the concealer is in the middle and then the hydrating properties is on the outside. That was the only difference. But I wasn't ready to pay $29, and this was a lot less. This was under $15. I got it at Target. And what else is this? So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. I got it in the color light medium, and it says it works to refresh dry, thirsty skin with hydrating core, smooth and buildable coverage. So I'm gonna be giving this a try. And so yeah, that's all I have. So if you want to see my skincare routine that I'm gonna be doing, that, you know, encouraged from the lady who did my facial, then give me a comment down below and let me know if you want to see it or not. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload. And like always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique. Bye guys.